Yeah, that's a really great question, and one that a lot of teachers have asked me and are struggling with, those who use the three cueing systems for so long. So let's sort of backtrack a little bit and talk about when teachers were using the three cueing systems, they were really encouraging children to do lots of things to figure out words and really focusing more on using context and guessing what it was instead of focusing on what was right in front of them on the page, the print. And some of that came from the fact that the books they were reading weren't highly decodable, so that
Mhm.
children didn't have the tools to figure out those words. What we're asking now is that children focus on the print. We know about orthographic mapping words, how we have to attend to the letters and the sounds and the meaning and so on. We want them to focus on working through the word as best they can with the tools they have. And because decodable texts are so tightly controlled, they should have the tools to figure out the vast majority of the words. They can then use some of those other prompts to confirm. So if the children have read a sentence and they've struggled with a word and figure it out, then we can ask them, did that make sense? So it's a confirming strategy, not a strategy to access the word. And that really is the shift.